Hey everybody, our Wednesday message today. First of all, thanks to Margaret. Margaret alerted me to the fact that some of the due dates just didn't seem very clear. So I hope that this announcement, right, that I put, I believe, on Monday, which told you not just the points, but the actual due date. I know I'd been putting like, this is due the week of blah, 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 but these are the hard due dates. So hopefully you found that helpful. This week, your vocabulary quiz is due. That's due by Sunday, as you can see right there. And also your accountability for this week is a parent interview. I thought we'd do something a little different. And instead of doing a quiz or something, I thought it'd be interesting for you, since we're talking about a parent involvement, to talk to one of your parents or grandparents or somebody in your family and talk about how were their parents involved in school when they grew up. So you can share that one of two ways. You can either share that with me and the rest of the class in our Zoom meeting, which is at 1 o'clock on Friday, April 24th, so this coming Friday. Or if you can't make the Friday Zoom meeting, and the nice thing about sharing it that way is you don't have to write it down. You just tell me and you get the points. Or if you can't come during that time, I did open the discussion board. And right here, here's if you would just click on this and just type it right in the discussion board. So that's kind of how you get your points for talking, doing the interview and then telling me, what did your parent, grandparent, uncle, whoever you talk to say? Well, how were their parents involved in school, and how did their parents help them with literacy when they were growing up? So again, either your Zoom meeting or the discussion board. Let me just go to course content here just to show you again, we're in week 5 of online. There's a TED Talk for this week. Here's the PowerPoint. I actually split it up into 2 parts, or you could just look at the PowerPoint yourself. And then here's the vocabulary quiz. There are 20 questions, and these vocabulary, all the vocabulary that we talked about at the beginning of the semester. Please remember that the micro-teaching reflection is not due until the 7th, but get it done as soon as you can. This is a lighter week in terms of what's due, so feel free to get that done as well. Our Friday message this week, I will talk about the last accountability. I will also talk to you about the Literacy Center. I actually want those due not on Sunday, but on Friday, May 1st, because we're going to share that at we'll have another Zoom meeting that day and we'll share out our literacy centers. Your literacy notebooks. If you've got it electronic, it's as easy as submit assignment. If it is not electronic, if you've been handwriting this, you can take pictures of it or set up a Zoom meeting time with me, and you can just share it, just show it to me. So again, that's up to however you have done that. And please reach out to me if it is not something that you can electronically share. And your inquiry project, we'll talk about that more on the Friday message. And then again, if you've handed in your micro-teaching reflection, then you're good. So I hope this helps clarify where we are. Not a whole lot left to do in this class, and I hope this Wednesday check-in finds you all well.